I'm not even sure how to get through this at this point. This is a workout just trying to get around this. My poor park though, oh my god. I am absolutely heartbroken. Probably doesn't show on my face, but because I'm so friggin' sleep deprived. It's been so hard to sleep the last few days. And yeah, this breaks my heart. This park is just devastated. See if we can sneak up through here. Oh my god. See what I'm walking through, guys? This is something else. Wow. What else can I say other than wow? I don't even know where I'm at on the trail system at this point. Things are so messed up and I've been having to bushwhack the whole time. So I truly have no idea where I'm at. I'm gonna go back underneath this log though and try to hike around it. This might be a decent way. Alright, I think I might know where I'm at. Oh my lord. Trying to break through this here. Just trudge through it. Holy moly. Okay, I recognize this part here. It used to be a trail, if you can believe it or not. It used to be a trail through here. Not anymore. Not anymore. Oh. The sweater that I'm wearing is probably way too much for today. It's really hot. The calm after the storm, you could say. It's really beautiful today, other than the devastation, of course. Getting cuts all over my hand from trying to go around. Oh man, yeah, it might be a better idea for me just to turn back and try to get where I came from, because I have no idea really where I'm standing. I can recognize a few faint trails, But in relation to everything else, I just I can't get my bearings in this landscape. Probably end up getting a little lost. Oh. Okay. Try to get over this tree, I guess, and go a little beyond. This looks like the best way over, I suppose. Nutty. What the hell am I doing? Alright, looks like there's a little clearing up here. Probably digging myself in even deeper. But, oh well, I'll take a clearing if I can get it. Whew. It fell right on my camera lens. Just devastation all around.